Curtain wall glass meets the aesthetic standards of contemporary architecture, can be customized to suit architectural needs, ensure that the space structure is safe and easy to maintain. Facade glass can be customized in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, create a more open and harmonious sense of space. Guardrail glass with high transparency with more transparent sense of space, compared with traditional railing materials, safer and with a longer service life. Partition glass helps to reduce noise transmission and improve indoor comfort, can be adapted to different interior design needs while maintaining a degree of privacy. It has a good sound insulation effect, UV protection while regulating light. Bathroom glass, excellent corrosion and impact resistance to avoid injury. Mirror glass, suitable for different uses and design needs, provides clear reflection and maintains design flexibility.